Well, here we're looking at ACN, and this is one that really has done rather well for us initially. We saw it kind of have a tough day even yesterday, but today it tried to rally back as the market tried to rally back. We didn't see it break the prior day's high, just like the other day, the other trading day didn't break the other day's high. So, as far as I see it, I still think it makes sense for us to stay short. We're going to put our stops real close to where we initiated our trade. Hopefully, we won't see too much of a bounce here. We're seeing everybody get all optimistic and misty-eyed about the market again and how fantastic it was, and people just justifying in their heads that this was just a momentary lapse of reason, and if everything was just everybody just paid attention to how terrific things are, it would be going away. So sometimes these are like kind of like a first little tremor of a bigger issue here, and traders need to understand that that could be occurring too. So a lot of times it's not just, hey, a quick corrective move and we're going to see new highs here. That could happen, but you have to be careful in this market environment. I would much rather stay positioned here and then see if it just takes it out at this point than chasing it and just chasing a 5% gain just here, just in case we start to see this take a deeper move here. We'd be kind of frustrated sitting on that too, because I don't know if we saw just the complete capitulation of this, in my opinion, because you saw a lot of trading toward the end of the close yesterday, and then you see today wasn't even so kind of like a half-hearted effort. It started trying to go down, but it wouldn't keep it. Everybody started seeing it start to rally. Everybody got nervous and everybody covered. I just think when some short covering starts to happen and some of this buyers start to do their taste, you might not see this rally as hard, and I think that could scare some people, especially if we start to see it dip a little bit. And if we take out these prior lows, I think that's going to scare everybody. You'll see it come down again. So we could be kind of seeing this, three-wave move. I mean, this is a strong move to the downside. You have to anticipate these counter moves, and this counter move could be a four-wave, and then I think you see the five, at least even on the shorter end. I just don't see this being completed just yet. I want to give this a little bit of time. Hopefully it doesn't come back to bite us, that we didn't just take our profit here. But I think if it could be very lucrative if we are patient here. I think the overall market has been running rather rampant for a while. I don't know if it's completely done with this. So we're going to stay positioned.